Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this turmeric mask for clear even skin. The ingredients we're gonna need today is turmeric powder, apple cider vinegar, pure honey and vitamin A. But before we get into the video, I would like us to play a small game. The game is called Smash that subscribe button. Yeah, please do that, it will cost you nothing to do so. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, one teaspoon of pure honey, and lastly you add 1 capsule of vitamin A. And mix them all together. Don't mind the background guys, I'm actually in the laundry area. It's because it's the only place I can find good lighting in the house. I wanted to film this video with as natural light as possible so you can see my face, so please pardon me. The next step to take after mixing a mask is obviously to apply it on your face. So make sure you apply evenly all over your face and wait for at least 15 minutes before you wash it off. I always feel so good each time I use this mask. It makes my face feel so smooth and alive. I use this mask once a week, that's on Saturdays, but if you're really into getting clear skin, I advise you use it 3 times or 2 times in a week, but it depends on the kind of skin you have. If you have sensitive skin, I advise you use it twice in a week. That would be much better. Thanks for watching you guys. Please give me a huge thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.